I'm Varsha, Senior Product Marketing Manager at SolarEdge. And here we're announcing today the latest generation S-Series optimizers with the S1400 and S1401 for rooftop, ground mount and carport projects. So with this, we have the new SenseConnect technology that is present in the connectors of the power optimizers, specifically on the output connectors, and it's engineered to detect any potential failures that's caused due to wear and tear or installation errors, and it can stop thermal events before they happen. It also is able to support up to 700 watt modules and high input current modules as well. It can support bifacials and G12s, which is a great thing. And it can support longer and fewer strings because the output power per string is now 30.4 kilowatt. And now we're able to save for you up to 70% in balance of system costs. And with the monitoring alerts through the SenseConnect technology, you'll also be able to save on O&M costs and maintain higher system uptime.